Hi everyone. Today I want to ask you a simple but a powerful question. How do we understand millions of people without studying every single one? Sounds impossible, right? But statistics makes it possible. Before we answer this question, let us understand what is population and sample. Population means the whole group you want to study. For example, if you want to study students in a university, then all the students in that university are the population. Now, let us understand what is sample. Sample means a small part of that group. In real life, we mostly work with samples because studying the whole population is very time consuming and costly. Now, imagine you want to know the average height of all students in your university. It is almost impossible to measure everyone. So, what do? We take a sample from the students and study them. Then we use that result to make a prediction or conclusion about a whole university population. And this process is called inferential statistics. Inferential statistics means using a small sample to make conclusions about a large population. Now, if we focus on the left side of the slide, we can see that it shows data using graphs and charts. It simply describes the data, meaning it only tells us what the data looks like, no predictions. Now, if we look at the right side of the slide, we can see inferential statistics uses a sample of data. It helps us to make conclusions about a larger group. For example, grades, percentiles, predictions, meaning it goes beyond description and helps us make decisions or predictions about the population. Now, there is another important concept, parameter versus statistic. A parameter is a value that describes an entire population. For example, the average income of all students in a university. We don't usually know the exact parameter because studying everyone is difficult. On the other hand, a statistics is a value that describes a sample, which is a small part of the population. For example, the average income of 100 selected students. We use these statistics to estimate the population parameter. So, remember the simple idea. Population is the whole group, sample is a small part, and inferential statistics connects them.